Hello and welcome. I'm Sarah and today's video is about massage. So it's about how to make a percussion massager using a jigsaw. This is just a standard jigsaw which cost about £37 and it's got variable speed, which I think is important when you want to use it as a massager, because you don't want just the one speed, you want to have a variety depending on what muscle you want to work on. You can buy these adapters here which have different ends on them for different types of massage, and it goes in the place where the jigsaw blade would go. Sometimes when you buy the adapters they're a little bit thicker than the gap that's in here, so you have to file it down using a sander and then slot it in. So if you do want to make one of these and you buy one of these adapters and it's not quite the right size, that's how you get around the problem. And if you're not a trained massage therapist, obviously be very careful about using it on other people, or maybe avoid that altogether. What I do for myself is you can use this for different areas in the body, so there are particular muscles which are more problematic than others. I'm in a clinic at the moment, so I can't do a proper demonstration of this because it's a bit noisy, but I've got it on setting 2 here, and I'm going to do a hip area and knee. So you can put the massager in here. Or you can do it down. You can reach around and do it on your back as well. You can also use it around the neck and shoulder area, but again, I'd be very careful about that if you're not experienced with anatomy. People who are masseuses or work with the body anyway, or you know your body quite well, you can. You can put it into areas here, such as the pecs and the chest. And I've found that when I use this, the only time it's not uncomfortable, it's if you're too slow or too hesitant here. So once it's going at full speed, it's usually much more comfortable than you would imagine, or than it would look like. This is soft as well. You can get rubber ones, you can get foam ones. Anyway, I hope this has been helpful for anybody that's interested in how to make a percussion massager. Any questions, please get in touch. I'll put the links up of where I bought the adapters from. It's quite simple, it's from Amazon. Anyway, thank you very much and goodbye.